Mercarians, this is Mercari Marcus, and we will be going on a Goodwill haul tonight. We will be filling up this duffel bag right here with some items, and we will be listing them on Mercari. As I told you, just keep listing items on Mercari, pick up your inventory at yard sales, estate sales, Goodwill, and we will be getting probably around $30 worth of stuff, just going in to see if we can find some things that may be, able to sell on Mercari. So we're going to cross-reference when we get in there. Always cross-reference, always cross-reference, always cross-reference when you get in the Goodwill, people, because you don't want to leave out with an item that's not profitable. There's no point in that, okay? So once you do that, you're going to come back home with your haul. You're going to make a video of all the stuff that you found or picked up at your local Goodwill. Okay, once you do that, you're going to list it on Mercari and you're going to wait for it to sell. And that will be all for this quick update, guys. Thank you. And always have a vision in mind. Thank you. Over and out, Mercarians.